Hello, I am Tausif Raza and I will discuss about Newton's laws of motion and their examples in our daily life. There are three laws of motion. In the first law, an object will not change its motion unless a force acts on it. In the second law, the force on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. In the third law, when two objects interact, they apply forces to each other of equal magnitude and opposite direction. Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest or in the uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. This is normally taken as the definition of inertia. If the velocity is zero, then the object remains at rest. So, what is inertia? Inertia is the resistance of any physical object to any change in its velocity. This includes changes to the object's speed or direction of the motion. Thus, an object will continue moving at its current velocity until same force causes its speed or direction to change. Example, if you roll a ball, it will continue rolling unless friction or something else stop it by force. So Newton's first law of motion are beneficial in our daily life. It is helpful as a book laying on a table or a table laying in a room. They will not change their position until an external force acts on it. The other part of the law is if a body is in uniform motion in a straight line, it will continue its state until it is act upon an external force. Newton's second law. Newton's second law says that when a constant force acts on a massive body, it causes it to accelerate, that is, to change its velocity at a constant rate. In the simplest case, a force applied to an object at rest causes it to accelerate in the direction of the force. For example, if you use the same force to push a truck and push a car, the car will have more acceleration than the truck because the car has less mass. It is easier to push an empty shopping cart than a full one because the full shopping cart has more mass than the empty one. Newton's third law of motion. His third law of motion states that for every action in nature there is an equal and opposite reaction. In other words, if object A exerts a force on object B, then object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. Common example of Newton's third law of motion are a horse pulls a cart, a person walks on the ground, a hammer pushes a nail, magnets attract paper clips. In all these examples, a force